If you want to set up the driving mode on Google Pixel 11, then first of all, we need to open Settings. Over here in Settings, we can go to Modes, and then in Modes, you should be able to find Driving. Here we can easily set up the driving mode. You just have to use this button to make it work, to be sure that you can actually use it. And now we can just manually turn on and turn off the driving mode by using this button. But besides that, you can see that we have this section, when to turn on automatically, and usually the phone is capable of detecting when you start driving. So by default, it uses Bluetooth to detect that. So as you can see, it turns on automatically while connected to a vehicle Bluetooth. But you can also use motion and Bluetooth together to detect if you are actually driving or not. And if you want to, you can of course disable the automation in here. That is not a problem, but then of course you will not be able to actually activate or deactivate the driving mode. So you might want to of course make some adjustments here if you want to. Now besides that, you can decide what should happen with notifications. So we have the filter, and you can filter some notifications. You can choose who can interrupt you or what apps can interrupt you. And also we have display settings, which you might want to activate. And that is pretty much it. Actually, before I end the video, there is also, of course, the quick settings panel or the control center, where here in the modes button, you should be able to find the driving button. So you can use it to activate and deactivate the driving mode. And besides that, if you have this car icon on the modes button, then you can tap on the icon itself to immediately activate or deactivate the driving mode. Leave a like and subscribe.